Hello friends, I am still your girl Okeke Chizoba, a teacher and an entrepreneur. Please do well to like, subscribe, share with your friends, hit on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you. So in today's video, without wasting much of our time, here are some tools needed for you to run Amazon KDP effectively on your smartphone. You can also use it on your laptop or your iPhone, but I'll be emphasizing on smartphone because that's what I am making use of right now. So some of the apps and websites for proper formatting, we have the Kiwi browsers, we have the Canva, we have the TextFairly, we have the Hackers keyboard, we have Grammarly keyboard, Z Archiver, Google Docs, Chatgpt, Pizza.com, Pizzabay.com. All these things, they are very essential for you to run your Amazon KDP smoothly. For Kiwi browser, it is used for addition of your extension and for browsing about the books that you want to write on. For Canva, it is used also for writing your books and for low content, and also for creating your book cover. For TextFairly, this one they are used to change document like textbook or any textbook. You can just have a photo of it, then you turn it into text. So then for Hacker keyboard, that one serves like a computer keyboard for copy and pasting. Then for Grammarly keyboard, that one you can have it for instead of you to going to Grammarly.com to check for your grammar, you can just use it when you are editing or when you are typing. It helps. Then for Z Archiver, it is used for unzip file. Then for Google Docs, that's your main brain boss where all your content are being formatted. Then for your Chatgpt, that one is used for content generation. Then for Pizza.com and Pizzabay.com, they are used for images for your book content. Then we have the extensions. I might not be going into deep what this extension is all about for in today's video, but I believe that as time goes on I will do that. Then for the extension, we have the Amazon AMZ suggestion expander, DS Amazon quick view, Amazon BSR and rating colorizer. We have the keyword everywhere. We have the KDP stroke Amazon BRS stroke keyword research. We have a lot of them, but these ones are the ones that I'm making use of, and it has been helpful. So the next one, there are the paraphrasing tools. You know what paraphrasing is all about? When you want to rewrite your content, that's the content you get from your Chatgpt or from the web, you can just use these tools to change the content to be unique. So the content that I'm making use of, the tools that I'm making use of, is Quibots Crack. There are ways to get the crack version. We have the free version, but the crack version makes your work easier. Then we have the Spinbots, but I prefer Quibots Crack. There are a lot of paraphrasing tools too, but these two are the ones that I normally use. So we have the plagiarism and grammar checker. This plagiarism, we have the duplicator.com, we have the grammarly.com, and a lot more, but these two are the ones that I normally use. So there are a lot of them, but those that I mentioned, they have been the ones working for me, and they are all free. Then it is the ones that I used to make my first $600, and I believe that you too can do more. So don't wait to subscribe to my channel for more content on Amazon KDP, on how to make money online. Thank you and remain blessed.